everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon parrot. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon parrot, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm just going to begin by making a circle for the eye. Next, I'm going to make a big circle at the top and then a smaller circle at the bottom. And I'm going to color in right around there. Now for the beak. Let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve down. Then I'm going to bring this back. And then I'm just going to curve this down. Next, we'll curve this line down and then bring it back up, almost kind of like a moon shape. And we'll put a little curved line in there for the tongue. Starting here, I'm going to curve a line that's just going to come back, and I'm going to put a couple little points on it, and I'm going to bring it back down here. And then I'm going to bring this line down here. Next, I'm going to curve this line down, and I'm going to put a couple little points on it. And then I'm just going to curve this line down, and I'm going to put a few points on here. Next, we're going to bring this down, and I just like to add these little points just to make it look like he's got a lot of feathers on it. Then let's add a few extra long lines on here to give our feathers some detail. Now, right around here, I'm just going to draw lines, just going to curve around, and then come down to here. And then we'll make a little line that just kind of has some little zigzags that goes to here, just to add some detail on there. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And then I'm going to add a little line that's just going to curve around for one of the feet. Do another one here. And then we'll bring this back and up here. We'll do two here. And then we'll make a couple more of these little bumps for just a little bit more feet. And I even like to just kind of color in some little lines on here for the little toenails. Do one back here too. Next, starting here for the tail, let's draw a long line that comes out. Let's bring this in and out again. And then we're going to bring this all the way back up. And then I'm going to make another long line right down here. And then I'm going to put some kind of long lines on here for some detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon parrot. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.